Some days I sit underneath my ivy-covered veranda and dream that one day I'll get there and I'll be standing in front of a whole room of eager people, actually my worst nightmare, brain, and some person from down the back of the room will say, "How did you get to be the completely organised non-procrastinator you are today?" And I answer, "Well, thank you, random person." I'll start with, "First I had to fail." Except we're never really failing, are we? We're learning and growing. I think so often we're taught the wrong thing, that we can't make mistakes. We have to be the best, do the best, and the ones that are the best get the opportunities, and the ones that aren't miss out and do life tough. And I've been so scared of failing that it stopped me from doing a heap of cool stuff like actually living my dreams. But making mistakes is what we need to go through in order to grow. So I have decided to unfail. Ta-dam! With each new thing I do, one moment at a time. And this is one of them. Because this, my pumpkin-y friend, is just the beginning. And you don't know me yet. So hi, my name is Kaz, and I'm a daydreamer. I'm a little bit weird, but I actually love it. And I'm a creator of things. And I think a lot about creating things. Like this, for instance. I didn't know any of this, but I learned. And in typical Kaz fashion, I'll be learning to get great at art, create a YouTube channel, create a website, and not go nuts before your very eyeballs. But I'll get there because thankfully I'm also annoyingly persistent. And this is my adventure, my dream, to create my small art business, to learn to become the visual storyteller I always wanted to become. To be Kaz, the unfailer. To grow Little Moonseed would be the most freaking wonderful thing. And to learn to not be scared, and I actually am pooping myself a little, not literally, just visually. And my first step is not looking how far I have to go. Because sometimes we're walking along casually feeling okay, and then we see someone doing incredible things you can only imagine being good enough to do, and then you think, poop, I'll never get there. And then you see a cute worm or a butterfly and something makes you smile, and you keep going because you remember that giving love and creative joy to yourself and other people is your passion, and you have to keep going because you don't know what treasures you'll bring to the world until you do. So many of us have a pile of dreams, not having any idea how to climb them. We might not know everything, but we'll figure this out because that's the fun part. It's like being in the middle of a great book, having some kind of clue how it might end, but not really knowing. So for anyone that's feeling you haven't got it all figured out yet, you're just on an amazing journey. And all those roads we went down, they're just steps towards finding out more about yourself. And being skilled in the art of self-sabotage doesn't look amazing on my resume, so I'd rather be a life ninja and go here to all my fears of inadequacy. Because I'm doing this thing whether you like it or not, brain. I believe that everyone has that something deep down inside just waiting to be lit up. I've decided to light mine. I can't wait to see yours. Thank you so much for being here. See you next time, lovely earthlings. Hiya, brain!